let's jump over to the last article that I wanted to touch on today. Let's jump on to the last article that I wanted to touch on today. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like button, okay? Last topic that I want to hit on. If you're looking for a new career, you know I talk about a lot of tech on this channel. Project management, sales, cybersecurity, cloud, data science, data analysts, business analysts, finance, accounting, marketing. All these are fantastic roles and career paths that you should consider to make a whole bunch of money. But let's talk about 30 high-paying, fast-growing jobs that are set to boom over the next decade. This is information that is up to date. If you're coming out of college and you're looking for a profession to get into that's going to allow for you to pay back your student loans, not eat ramen noodles every single day, not allow your kids to go to public schools where they can get beat up and influenced to be a giraffe if they wanted to be a giraffe, or be a cat that meows and they can only speak meow language. If you want to make money, which is the tool that will allow for you to shelter or protect yourself and your family, you want to consider these professions. Where the way this country is going into and what's being taught today, if your kid said he wants to be a lion and that's what he wants to be, then they're going to let him be a lion. His ass going to get in the cage and think that he's a lion. He's going to get mauled and they're going to kill the lion. But that's what this country has turned into. Okay? To protect yourself from that, you want to align yourself with people who have the same values. And you can only do that by having money. You can only do that by having money, and the way you make money is by having a career. Okay? The way you make money is by having a career. If you're looking for a new career, here are 30 high-paying, fast-growing jobs that are set to boom over the next decade. Okay? Millions of Americans have been quitting their jobs each month, and these jobs could be a good fit for you to switch your career. They've used data from or employment projections from 2021 to 2031 to find out the jobs that are going to pay the most and are likely to grow. Managerial roles, tech roles, and medical jobs like registered nurse makes up some of the top 30 occupations. Let's start with number 30. Sales managers, guys. Sales managers. Projected change in employment from 2021 to 2031 is about 23,000. Median annual wage in 2021, 130,000. Let's get to the money, y'all. Let's get to the money. I'm not going into sales management. Never wanted to. I'm in sales, though. Not directly sales management. Okay? But if this is your path, you can go there and you can make a good salary for yourself, a good wage. Sales managers can make millions of dollars. You want to start from the ground up? Consider course careers. Okay? Link in the description. Number 29, elementary school teachers accept special education. Now, you want to get to the bag, this isn't the career that you want to go into. If you want to get to the bag, this isn't the career you want to go into unless you leave this country. But you see, elementary education, you could be making $61,000 a year. It is more than the median annual for the entire country. But you are talking about getting to the bag. This isn't a career that you want to get into. However, we need them. We definitely need them. And I wish this country paid teachers and qualified teachers like they pay tech people because they're responsible for a lot. Okay? They're responsible for a lot, but that's not what this country does. So therefore, I consider you guys to stay away from it if you want to get to the bag. If you don't care about getting to the bag and you want to teach people and help little kids out, feel free to do it. Number 28, construction manager. Construction managers can make $98,000 a year on average. Expected to grow a lot. All you need is a bachelor's degree. Okay? Number 27, human resource specialist. You want to get into HR? You can become a human resource specialist. Looking to grow. They're going to need more of these people. All you need is a bachelor's degree. Median salary is about $62,000 right now. Okay? Do I recommend this? It's a role that you can get to, and you can do. You can pivot out of it if you like people and so forth. I think HR is a good role. I know senior HR executives making 200 plus. You can get paid a lot of money in HR, guys. Number 26, substance abuse and behavior disorder and mental health counselors. You want to get to the bag? Do not select this one because the median wage is $48,000. Yes, we need these people. Absolutely, we need these people. When you think about it, a bachelor's degree, you're going to be coming out of school with over $40,000 of debt. Median annual salary right now is about $48,000. They don't pay you enough, but they need a whole bunch of people to do this role. They just don't pay you enough. Okay? Don't do it. Industrial machine mechanics. You don't need a college degree to do this. Blue collar work. $59,000 you can be making. You can start your own business by learning this trade and skills. You're basically an engineer. Okay? You can make a lot of money for a low cost, no debt. Consider this one. Industrial machinery mechanics. Consider it. You don't need a college degree for this type of role. Physical therapists, my sisters are in this role right now or going to get the qualifications to become a physical therapist. They're English majors. You see that pivot, right? I love you, girls. I love you. But you need a doctorate or a professional degree. And you could be making $95,000 a year. Absolutely. Go and do it. Go and do it. I recommend this one as well, too. Your boy tore my Achilles last year. And I needed a physical therapist. They're in demand. People are going to continue to hurt themselves. Athletes are going to continue to hurt themselves. Older people are going to continue to hurt themselves. Little kids are going to continue to hurt themselves, and they need people in physical therapy to help them out. And plus, you can get paid a good salary, $95,000. Number 23, software QA. Quality assurance testers and analysts. Let's do it. I recommend this one, guys. Median salary, $98,000. Damn! You can climb the ladder. You can pivot. You can have multiple opportunities within your career. Requirements, bachelor's degree. You can pay off your student debts because you're going to get paid a little bit more money. Our brother Kavito, this is the role that he's in. Now he's in the management role now. Data scientist, AI median annual wage, $100,000. I recommend this one, guys. Data is big. If you get into machine learning space, your salary doubles. It starts with data science, though. Understanding data analytics. I recommend this one, guys. I definitely recommend this one. Logistician. I'm in the supply chain and logistics business. I recommend this one as well, too. I recommend this one as well, too. But you're going to be like a vampire because you're going to be working in weird cities and with all types of hours of the day. Okay? But these guys make money. They make money. Okay? You become a warehouse manager a distribution center, you can make a lot of money, but you're going to be working hours. Ask the UK investor. Ask the UK investor, Michael, who's in here. He's like, man, Antoine, I'm making money, but I really want one of these tech jobs because the people that I have to deal with, I'm telling you. That's our brother Gerard. That's our brother Gerard out of Atlanta. Distribution manager, making over 6 figures. The people that you have to deal with. It's like being an elementary school teacher, but you're dealing with professionals. I do recommend it. Because it pays you a good amount of money. If you can handle that sort of work, get it done. Okay? Marketing managers. You climb the ladder in marketing? Fantastic career, great salaries, $135,000.
Damn!
Okay? Sales reps of services. Right? We're not talking about the advertising, their insurance, the financial services, and the travel. We're not talking about those folks at all. We're talking about sales reps of services, specifically around technology. You don't need a college degree. You can come out of high school, like our boy Troy, who owns Course Careers, out of high school, making a minimum of $55,000 a year. Sales. How many roles? Right now, there's 46,000 roles that are open for SDRs and BDRs today. And guess what, guys? You take a course like Course Careers, you finish that within a month, you could be making that kind of money if you aren't making that right now. Okay? And all you need is a high school education. You probably want to do a career transition. I talked to a gentleman this week, had a bachelor's degree, working 2 jobs, not making more than $60,000. He's considering sales because he has dreams and visions of running his or building 2 companies. Asked me what should he do. He heard me talk about sales and project management. You can do either one. But if you really want to get to the money as fast as possible, go into sales. Sales representatives. There you go. 18, heavy and tractor trailer truck drivers. I'm on the fence about this one, guys. I'm on the fence about this one. Matter of fact, I'm just going to say it. No, don't do it. I'm going to keep it at that. Many of you guys are probably like this. Tell us why, Antoine. Tell us why. This is why. $48,000. Now, don't get me wrong. You can make a lot of money driving trucks and trailers and pulling big-time equipment. You can make a lot of money doing that. Either away from your family, you're always on the road, you're sitting down, can't get fit, can't get healthy. I wouldn't recommend it, guys. That's just my opinion. Physician assistants. Yep. You need a master's degree, but you can be making $121,000. Yep. I consider, yes, do it. Personal finance advisors. Absolutely. Financial industry is dope. Pocket watching with JT. Makes all kinds of money. Has his own show now. Get into the bag. Get into the bag. Computer systems analyst. You know I'm going to say yes on this one. You know I'm going to say yes on this one. Abso-freaking-lutely. $99,000. Continued job growth. All you need is a bachelor's degree. Project management specialist. Absolutely. Join a Patreon. You get Google professional certificates as a professional member. You can do your project management certificate or gain one through Coursera because of our partnership with Google. Systems analyst, exact same thing. Data analyst and so forth. Information security analyst. We just talked about cybersecurity. Yes. Entry level, you can be making anywhere from 102,000 to 150,000. Absolutely. Do it. Post-secondary health specialties. Yes. Why? This number right here, 102,000 median annual salary. Accounting and auditors. I'm a big fan of accountants. They're always going to be needed. Every business will need accountants. Okay? Will you make a lot of money? No. But if money isn't your thing, consider it though. Marketing research analyst and marketing specialist. Consider it. Consider it. Bachelor's degrees, high in demand. Median annual salary is $63,000. Management analysts, consultants. Yes, consider it. These are in high demand. These roles will continue to be in high demand. Lawyers. If you want to go to school for a long time, consider it. Consider it. Otherwise, you can make a lot more money just being in tech. Computer and information systems managers. How much money can these guys make, right? This is what I talk about on the channel. Management information systems and computer information systems, right? Managers of those. 159,000. Isn't that more than a lawyer? Yeah. More in demand than a lawyer? Yeah. Does it need a secondary degree after the bachelor's? No. Which is the better profession? Number 7. Oh, but everybody doesn't want to be in tech, right? Everybody doesn't want to be in tech. So computer information systems managers, $159,000, great salary. You're like, what? Antoine, how much? $159,000. God damn. Big time. Go and do it. Nurse practitioners, $120,000. You do need a master's degree though. Number 5, medical and health services managers, $101,000. Consider it. Registered nurses, 79 or 90 or 77,000. Consider it. Financial managers, 131,000. Yes. General operations managers, these are like JMs and so forth. You have to climb the ladder for these types of roles. Consider it. Yes. Consulting. Yes. Software developers. You always know that these are going to be in high demand. And you're going to continue to be in high demand. But it's not for everybody. Okay? It's not for everybody. Do you need a bachelor's degree to become a software developer? That has changed. That has changed. Okay? Well, that's what I wanted to share with you guys today.